my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And I'm gonna ask you to subscribe now and write in the comments below, I subscribe, so I can personally thank you for joining my YouTube family. So I know in the last video I said that we were gonna do some more doctor visits. I gotta be honest with you, I'm a little tired of it. So I thought we would do some organization and something fun and different today. So we are organizing Aria's closet, and I'm going to be showing you some more gorgeous clothes of hers. So sit back and relax. Let the baby magic begin. So if you guys are wondering why I'm only showing Aria's closet today and not a whole bedroom, surprise! We are actually doing a home extension and home renovation, which is actually going to be a huge, huge project. We're gonna have to move out for at least 6 months. So right now I'm kind of in limbo with her room. I don't want to do a big gorgeous room and then have to move and take out all the furniture. So right now we just put the plans into the town. We are hoping and praying that they approve it, and then we'll see what happens. So that's the story. So right now Aria has one of my closets, and this is what we're doing right now. So we're just gonna make the best of it until we find out what the town's gonna do. Okay, Mom, so I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 organizing tips that I do, that I did for Robbie, and now I'm going to do for Aria. So these are a must. I like the velvet hangers because they keep the clothes on. So you don't have to worry about the clothes falling off. So these are a must. Love them. And I did pink because we're doing a pink closet for her. These are the closet dividers, and I'm going to open them up when I'm going to do the closet so you could see them. I actually got these on Amazon, and you could get the hangers on Amazon too. But these are great because it starts from newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 18, and 18 to 24. So your clothes are nice and organized by months, so you know where everything is. This is actually a must in a newborn closet. At least for me it is, because I know where everything is. So I love these. So this is going up today. Okay, moms, since I'm only doing a closet, I might need a little extra help. So my question to you is this: what is your favorite organizing tip? Leave a comment below. Okay, so number 3 is this shelving, which is fabulous. I actually got this on Amazon. Look, moms. Ah! Look how cute this is. It's like having drawers. I guess you could put shoes in here, but I'm going to actually put onesies and bibs and, I don't know, a whole bunch of other stuff. Look, it has pockets. And look, you could hang things off of it, like some burp cloths or something. But what I really like about this, it just Velcros on to the bar of your closet. It just gives you a little bit more of organization. I like this. Amazon, thank you. Thank you very much, Amazon. Okay, so this is what I'm doing with the closet today. I'm not washing anything until the week that she is born, or a couple of days before, so everything's nice and fresh. What I'm just doing right now is I'm taking all the clothes out. I'm hanging them up. I'm actually going to hang up the stuff that I'm bringing to the hospital, so I know how much of it I have. And I'm just doing this right now so I know what I need. That's really why I'm starting this closet right now, because I don't know what I bought too much of. Do I need newborn size? Do I need 0 to 3? Do I need 6 to 9? Like, I don't know what I need. So the only thing that I could do right now is just hang up everything. So I'm hanging it up with the tags on. I'm opening up all the onesies, folding them nicely, and then a couple of days before Aria comes, I'm washing everything in draft. Okay, let the organizing begin. So I wanted to share with you this gorgeous bunny that Aria's daddy wore for her. So cute, right? That is going in the closet. But this is actually going to go in her bassinet. So how did I do so far, guys? Not too bad, right? So I'm organizing from newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, and so forth and so on. So this bunny is going to go up here for now. Love that bunny. Oh, and I was in the store with Robbie, and he goes, Mommy, you have to get this for baby Aria. Look how cute. Our first rubber ducky for her bath from her brother. To 0 to 3 section. And I'm just absolutely obsessed with this Posh Peanut. I love it so much. It's just so soft. And then I found another company that I wanted to share with you guys about. That's very similar to Posh Peanut. The clothes are also very, very soft. And it's called Little Bum Bums. I like the name. I think it's cute. Little Bum Bums. Look at the ruffle butts. Love the ruffle butts. So this is actually a 0 to 3. Of course, she's got a headband to match. And then these are newborn. I just love this because it's just so soft. I love rabbits, bunnies, and I love flamingos. Look. And this actually had the matching bow. Really, really cute. I love it. They're easy. So soft. I love things that are soft for the baby. I'm like all about it. So I'm just going to put these back in the closet. And I love that I have these sectionals because I know where to put them now. Newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. So everything's like nice and organized. And this tub thing that I got is fabulous. So what I did was I did the newborn mittens up here, and then the newborn onesies, and then socks, and I did the swaddle blankets, bibs, regular blankets, hats, shoes. So everything's all in there nicely. I do need a container, maybe like this big, for all her fancy socks and her bows. I need like a big container for her bows. But right now, you know, I'm ahead of the game, so I'm really happy I did this. I feel so much better, less anxiety, and that's great. New mommy bag alert for the hospital. Look how cute. I love this bag because it's huge. Huge. And I could put so much stuff in it. And I don't know, maybe I'll just put my stuff in it. Yeah, probably just my stuff in it. It's cute, right? I got it on Instagram from a store called If Only for the Night. But I know she sold out. Sorry guys, I got the last one. Look at her clothes. What do you think about her clothes, Robbie?
Cool.
Cool clothes?
That's my favorite bra.
Okay, there you have it. I'm getting organized for baby Aria. Woohoo! So excited. So everyone, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know that I'm on Mondays, 12 noon. Now, for next week, I'm really not sure what I'm going to do yet, so it's going to be a surprise. So it's probably going to be something baby, of course, because right now I'm in baby mode. Can you tell? So everybody, have a really good week. See you next time. Bye-bye.